How to renew driver license online in Texas, full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can renew driver license online in Texas. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and go to texas.gov/texas by Texas. That's the new website for any online government work for Texas. So after coming to this website, you just have to scroll down and find the option to register it for driving license, ID or CDL renewal, replacement or address change. You just have to simply click on here, and after clicking on here you just have to click on create an account, and you have to just create your new account for this, and for that you have to provide your personal email, mobile phone, current TX driver license or ID card, and then social security number. And after that you have to follow the instructions, and they by following the instructions you can apply for online your driving license renewal application. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.